Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we get started, I am going to put a stocking cap on my head. Please make sure you have a stocking cap on before you put your wigs on. It just keeps a barrier between your hair and the wig, prevents any type of friction as well. So the wig that I'm using in this video is from Mslynn Hair. This is their 360 lace frontal wig. This texture is their deep wave texture. So with this wig being a 360 wig, you can pretty much put this wig in a ponytail or a bun and you're going to get lace all around this wig. You're going to get 5 inches of parting space in the front of this wig, and you're going to get 2 inches of parting space in the back. If you enjoy wearing your hair in a ponytail or a bun, 360 wigs are perfect for you because you get a more natural look when you wear your wigs in a updo style. So like I said, you get 5 inches of parting space in your wigs when you purchase this 360 wig, which I really can appreciate. So this is what the parting space looks like before I do any plucking. You guys know I love a more wider part. To me, it looks a whole lot more natural. So I am going to go in with a pair of tweezers and pluck the part. This is just going to give a more natural look. You don't have to do this, but I always do it. And this is what it looks like after I pluck or tweeze my part. And I just prefer this look because it just looks a whole lot better. And it does. So I'm doing a new technique, and I hope it's not an epic fail, but I'm using this Scarway silicone sheet to conceal like those little black dots that's on my closure. If you ever rocked a closure or frontal, then you know these little black dots that I'm talking about, which can be a dead giveaway that you're wearing a frontal. So these little silicone sheets, what you do is you place them directly on your part, and it's supposed to like cover up those black dots and give you like a whole natural look. So for the first time ever, I'm trying it and I hope it works. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks a little fake to me right now, so I'm just gonna play around with it a little bit and see if I can make it do what it do. But I saw it on a girl's YouTube channel and it looked really good. So I mean, it definitely worked. It definitely helped conceal those little black dots. But please keep in mind, I did go in and tweeze the part, so it does look a whole lot better. I did get this idea from a YouTuber named Lovely Brianna. And in case you're wondering, the reason why you would do this is because like if you didn't want to bleach your knots or use the makeup spray that I normally use to conceal the black dots on your frontal, you could simply use the silicone sheets and it's like fail proof. Like you cannot do any wrong with that. So yeah, I'm going to be using this Garnier Fructis curl scrunching gel to define the waves in this hair. I've been using this Garnier Curl Scrunch product for a couple of weeks now, and it actually works pretty good. When I first purchased this product, it was originally for curly hair, and I decided to use it in today's video for this wavy hair, and it actually worked pretty darn good. The only drawback to this particular product is it leaves like a sticky residue on your hand, so just keep that in mind. But it leaves your hair super duper defined regardless of what type of texture you have. Either whether it is curly or wavy, it's going to give you some super defined waves or curls.